Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this record screen button. You can start recording by tapping on it once. Recording won't actually start. This recording menu will appear on screen. You can also access some of screen recording settings by holding your finger on this button. You can select video quality here, and you can set it to record touch interactions. Here you can disable or enable your microphone. And to start recording you just have to tap on this red button and recording will start. Let's record some of our screen, for example some of the settings. You can pause your recording by tapping on pause button. Then you can play it again. And to stop recording you have to tap on this square button, and recording will be saved to gallery. And here you can find it in this screenshots section. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.